Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. All right, so first of all, this is 3.8 ounces, which is almost 4 ounces. This is going to last you a very long time. And I mean, of course, it depends on how much you use them, but I use these quite often, at least twice a week, and it lasts a long time. What fractionated coconut oil is really good for is it's really good for soothing and softening the skin, but it's also non-greasy. You think of a lot of these oils, and you put them, if you think about like coconut oil, for example, that's not fractionated, or if you think about like avocado oil or like an olive oil, that's not what this is. This is very, very absorbent. It goes right into your skin, has a lot of great health benefits. It's super easy to use, especially if you're using essential oils, guys. This is a great way to help distribute essential oils and to use them on your skin effectively without having, without them being overpowering, and also to spread them across a bigger area. I just really, really love this. It's scentless, so whatever you add to it is just going to give the scent to whatever oil that is as well. This is very, very effective, very, very nice. It's going to last a long time. My favorite thing about this has to be the fact that it is from doTERRA, and doTERRA puts a lot of work and testing into their products to make sure that what it says is in here is actually in here. Not a lot of other companies do that. That gives me a lot of confidence to be able to use these, and the fact that just how useful this is, guys. You can use this by itself. You can use this with an oil inside of it. It's just a great oil to be able to use different ways in diverse ways, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.